Here's a look at this day in history. January 28th.
Today in 1547, England's King Henry VIII died at the age of 53. In 1915, Congress created the Coast Guard as a branch of the armed forces. Today in 1973, the U.S. involvement in Vietnam officially ended as the Paris Peace Accords went into effect. National Security Advisor Henry Kissinger was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for negotiating the accords. And in 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger exploded.
We will never forget them, nor the last time we saw them, as they prepared for their journey and waved goodbye, and slipped the surly bonds of earth to touch the face of God.
And that's this day.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Nayla.
And this is Michael.
Bringing you your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Wednesday, January 28th, 2015, A-Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Today's math problem is, how much money would a person who graduated college with a bachelor's degree be expected to make in a year? Look at the next slide to help you get the answer. Be sure to tell your math teacher if you can solve it.
Now here's Kat with today's weather.
It was 18 degrees this morning. It will be sunny today with a high of 31 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now back to Nayla and Michael.
Thanks, Kat. Word of the day. Today's word of the day is paltry. Paltry means insignificant, of little value. Paltry sounds like poultry, so in today's cartoon, the caption reads, paltry poultry. Once again, today's word of the day is paltry. Help
DMS win money and prizes by donating broken writing utensils in the TerraCycle box in the cafeteria. The Black Eyed Susan Book Club will meet after school in the library today. And math homework helpers will be on today from 4:30 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. on Comcast Channel 73 and Verizon Channel 34. You can call in and get help on your math homework. Every caller will win a prize and get a chance to spin the prize wheel to win a bonus prize. The telephone number to call in is 410-494-1459. Again, the telephone number is 410-494-1459.
There will be a special quiz bowl practice after school today in room 108.
And our club will not meet after school this Thursday. Enjoy the dance. The Black Eyed Susan Book Club will meet after school in the library. Okay, I already did that.
Yesterday afternoon, the Owls traveled to Golden Ring Middle. The girls were up first. Although the Lady Owls were not able to walk away with the win, they were able to beat their scoring record for the season with an outstanding 15 points in the game. Amina was the leading scorer with 11 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 incredible blocks. Baskets were also made by Jordan and Chanel, who each had a steal of their own. Vera contributed 3 rebounds, and Kayala added 2 rebounds and 2 steals to help the Owls beat their previous record. Next on the court were the boys. The boys played a fast game, but just weren't able to catch up to Golden Ring. Highlights include 8 rebounds and a basket from Michael, 5 rebounds and 5 points from Taekwon, 5 rebounds and 3 points from Jose, and a 3-pointer from Alex, who also had 3 steals in the game. The Owls will face the biggest game of their season next Thursday as they go up against Halliburton. Please come out wearing your green and gold next Thursday here at DMS, with the girls playing at 4 and the boys playing at 5. Words of wisdom. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Nayla with a few words of wisdom. Nobel Prize winning physicist Louis Luis Alvarez and his son developed the theory that the dinosaurs became extinct when a great meteor hit the Earth. By consulting with each other, father and son created a very important scientific theory. Speaking of dinosaurs, have you ever caught yourself thinking that older people are real fossils? You know, too old and useless? Maybe you should think again. Older people can be a rich source of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Luis Alvarez had a son who knew the truth of this. The Chinese say it this way: to succeed, consult 3 old people. Are you faced with a problem? Then remember this Chinese wisdom and try consulting 3 people who are older and wiser. With something to think about, this is Nayla. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Now here's Mr. Muffaletto.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. I'm here to make a couple of announcements today, so I have 2 slides that I need to go through because they're very important for information that you need to know for things coming up this week. So let's look at the first slide. Okay, the Winter Snowball Dance is tomorrow. Tickets are now on sale for 10 hoots during homeroom. You can get the actual ticket tomorrow, Thursday morning. You can sign up for one of 2 things. You can either attend the dance in the cafeteria or play basketball in the gym. We'll have pizza and soda for $1 each tomorrow. We'll also have face painting by the art club. Also, we're going to have the same cool DJ that we had before, a very interactive DJ that accepts requests. So that's just another reason to attend. So you can join us in the cafeteria at 3. At the very bottom in red, you can also begin purchasing Valentine grams for your sweetheart or loved one tomorrow during the dance. They're going to be $2 each, or you can get 2 for $3. What a bargain. Or you can just get the lollipop itself and eat it, and that's going to be $1. So a lot of things coming up. Here I have an example of the Valentine's grams this year. If we want to look at this here, this is the Valentine. Are you going to zoom in? This is the Valentine's grams this year. They're pretty nifty. The candy is inside, clipped in, and you can write a special note to that special loved one on the inside, and we'll deliver these on Valentine's Day Mod 10. So it's 2 for $3, right? No, 2 for $1. No, 1 for $2, 2 for $3, or if you just want the lollipop, it's $1. I wonder what I'm going to write my Valentine gram out to, or who. Yes.
Me too.
All right, now let's look at the next slide. Okay, Saturday Academy is this week with myself and Miss Cabezas. It'll be from 10 to 1, so come and join us at the cafeteria entrance. We'll be doing a lot of special group activities. Come prepared to become globally competitive, because we mean business at Saturday School. If you need any extra help with your homework, we'll be doing that too. And we'll also have some fun, a little bit of time in the computer lab or outside if the weather permits, playing a game of football. So join us on Saturday for Saturday Academy. Those are all my announcements today. Everybody have a great day. I'll be around in just a few minutes to each homeroom. I need to get a number of those of you that need to take the late bus home, because obviously each bus only carries 40 kids, and sometimes on dance days we need 2. So I'll be around to tally in just a few minutes. Everybody have a great day.
Now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, DMS. Hopefully everyone's back and better than ever. Reminder as we continue, first week of the 3rd quarter, it's important to set those goals and make sure you put forth your best effort. Again, half of the year is behind us, and now we have the second half of the year, which is going to go by very quickly. This is a reminder for all students who are taking MAP tests during the course of this week. Please make sure you put forth your best effort on the MAP assessment. And students in the hallway, we do expect that your behavior is SR squared, especially knowing the fact that our students are testing. We want to give them an optimal testing environment so they can do as well as possible. And again, students, this MAP assessment is important. It can help showcase how much growth you've made from the beginning of the year to the midway point of the year. So we do look at that data to see that all students are making growth from wherever you were earlier on. The key is that when you leave leave Dundalk Middle School, or you leave the grade that you're in and go to the next grade, you know significant amount more than you did when you first came into the room. So again, it's really important that you put forth your best effort. Students, also, as I say every day, you want to make sure you're coming to school every day, demonstrating excellent attendance, coming with a positive attitude, and applying yourself. As part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. Not only successful in school, but also in life. What's going to separate you from other people competing for college and competing for you to go on to a career? Again, think about those things. It's what you do now that's going to impact who you are and what you do later. Thank you. Let's make it a great day. Now back to Michael and Nayla.
So this is Michael
And Nayla,
reminding you to have a wonderful Wednesday.